What's up, everybody? Chef John here at Urbs and Spices, and welcome to Getting Saucy, where we'll be talking about all different kinds of sauces. Today, we have a really cool spicy mayo. It's got a little bit of a twist to your regular spicy mayo, where we add some lime zest and juice to it. It gives it a little bit more brightness. So it's super easy to make. It goes on everything from burgers to fries to sandwiches. It elevates all of those dishes that you would normally use regular mayonnaise for. Add this to it, even like a tuna salad. It's unbelievable. So let's get going. You'll see how simple it is. So we're going to start with a cup of mayonnaise. This Mike's Amazing is awesome, but you can use any mayonnaise you like. And we're just going to do a cup of mayonnaise. Put our mayo in the bowl. Next, we're going to add a teaspoon of sugar. It'll help balance out the heat. A teaspoon of salt. And then also a teaspoon of Sriracha. Now you can put less or more of the Sriracha depending on your heat preference. But a teaspoon will give you a nice spice without being overwhelming and not being able to feel it. You get a nice balance there. So last thing we're going to do, we're going to add our lime. So we're going to take a lime and zest it with the microplane. We're only going to do zest from half the lime, but we are going to use juice from a full lime. So we'll cut that in half, use our juicer here, pour that right in, and then we'll mix it all together. And that's our spicy mayo. Super easy to make. It's so versatile. And I recommend putting it in a squeeze bottle. You can store it in the fridge after that. Use it on anything. That way you can drizzle it over your fries, make it look nice on a dish. I can't wait to try this chicken burger with homemade spicy mayo. It looks unbelievable. So delicious. Mm-hmm. Wow. So you get all those flavors. You get a little bit of heat. You get the acid, a little bit of sweet, and it just balances everything out. And it really elevates a lot of your regular day-to-day dishes like burgers and fries and sandwiches. And then you're going to figure out, oh, I can put this on this, try it out on different things. Super easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. This is Chef John at Urbs and Spices. Have a great day.